This is the fabric cloth or plant cover for outdoor plants. Be good for greenhouses too. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. First off, it is really lightweight at about 1.5 ounces per square yard. The fabric feels pretty durable, and as you can see, it is a breathable material that's going to allow sunlight and air and moisture through. The fact that it's foldable and so lightweight is going to make it easier to set up in the event of a sudden temperature drop. You need to get something out real quick. It comes in several different sizes. This is a townhome backyard, and you can see that with the 10 by 40 version that I have here, it almost covers my entire yard from front to back and almost the whole thing. Super easy to just take this and drape it over one entire side or another entire side when these trees get pruned down, which I may do on that side. I was actually thinking of moving all my grow bags and planters over to this side and just covering everything up. And you can see how it could be used, obviously, to cover entire rows of stuff. Or if I wanted to, super easy, just take some pruning shears here. This stuff cuts really easily. So I could cut it to fit smaller trees that I want to cover this winter, like this fig tree over here after I prune it, and the figs that I grow in these planters, these grow bags. It's light enough and easy enough to pierce that I could put it directly over top of everything, stake it down with landscape staples, or even weigh it down. You could even use this with hoops or frames if you wanted to, all kinds of options. In the winter, sometimes I build a small greenhouse over on this little patio I have here for the items that I keep in the grow bags. So if I do that this year, this would be great for covering those up as well during the cold months. I just can't believe how big this is. I mean, it's obviously easy enough to put up over and cover whatever it is you need to cover. Cover an entire side here if I wanted to. You can see how easy this is to move. So there you go. It's easy to deal with, easy to move around. It's easy to cut to fit a variety of trees, shrubs, raised beds like this one, rows, whatever you want to do. It's breathable for the sun and the air. It's easy enough to fold up and store away for next year. Very nice.